Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable show message preview on Emo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Then tap on friends messages. Next you can see the option of show message preview. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable show message preview on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.